Hey, manifestors! Welcome back to Maniest Media, the place where we dive deep into the world of manifestation and personal growth. If you're on this journey with us, you know that the universe has a way of dropping hints that your desires are on their way to you. Today, we're talking about the unmistakable signs that your manifestation is knocking on your door. But before we jump in, if you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join our growing community of like-minded individuals. We're all about positivity, growth, and unlocking the secrets of the universe together. Now let's get into the good stuff. If you've been putting in the work, visualizing, and staying aligned with your goals, you might be experiencing some powerful signs that your manifestation is about to manifest into your reality. Sign number 1, unexplained excitement. Have you ever felt an overwhelming sense of joy or excitement out of the blue? That surge of positive energy might be your intuition, sensing that your manifestation is drawing near. This unexplained joy is a clear indicator that your emotions are aligning with the frequency of your desires, creating a magnetic pull towards manifestation. Sign number 2, synchronicities galore. Now let's talk about synchronicities, those meaningful coincidences that seem too perfectly timed to be mere chance. Whether it's encountering repeated numbers, meeting people who share your vision, or stumbling upon messages that resonate with your goals, these synchronicities are like little cosmic winks, confirming that your manifestations are being woven into the fabric of your reality. Synchronicities are meaningful coincidences that can serve as powerful signs that your manifestations are on the way. Here's an example of synchronicities that might indicate your manifestation is unfolding. Manifesting a new job. You've been diligently manifesting a career change and a dream job. As you align your thoughts, emotions, and actions with this desire, you start noticing synchronicities. Repeating numbers. You repeatedly encounter the numbers 555 on license plates, receipts, and even your morning coffee receipt. In numerology, 555 is often associated with change and transformation, signaling that your manifestation journey is progressing. Unexpected encounters. You happen to meet an old friend during your daily walk, and they mention a job opening in a company that aligns perfectly with your career goals. This unexpected encounter feels like the universe guiding you toward the opportunities you've been manifesting. Alignment in conversations. In casual conversations, you overhear people discussing topics related to your industry or the specific skills required for the job you desire. It feels like the universe is affirming and reinforcing the direction of your manifestation through external conversations. Symbolic messages. You start noticing symbols that resonate with your career aspirations. For instance, you come across a book with a cover illustration that depicts a key unlocking a door, symbolizing new opportunities and breakthroughs in your professional life. Dreams and intuition. You have vivid dreams about succeeding in a new job or receiving a job offer. Your intuition feels heightened, and you wake up with a strong sense that these dreams are symbolic messages guiding you towards your manifested career change. Smooth flow of events. The application and interview process for a potential job seem to flow effortlessly. You receive positive feedback, and the entire process feels aligned with your intentions. This smooth progression indicates that the energy you've invested in manifestation is harmonizing with external events. Remember, synchronicities are personal and can manifest in various ways depending on your unique circumstances and the nature of your desires. Pay attention to these signs and use them as encouragement that you're on the right path toward the manifestation of your goals. Sign number 3, increased clarity in your goals. Manifestation is not just about wishing, it's about aligning your actions with your desires. If you've noticed a newfound clarity in your goals and a deep understanding of the necessary steps, it's a sign that the universe is providing you with a roadmap. Your intuition becomes a reliable guide, steering you towards the manifestation of your dreams. Aligning your actions with your desires is a crucial step in the manifestation process. Here are some practical steps to help you ensure that your actions are in harmony with your goals. Clarify your desires. Clearly define and visualize your desires. Be specific about what you want to achieve. The more detailed your vision, the easier it becomes to align your actions accordingly. Set clear goals. Break down your desires into actionable and measurable goals. Create a roadmap with specific milestones to track your progress. This clarity will guide your actions and keep you focused on what needs to be done. Create an action plan. Develop a detailed action plan outlining the steps you need to take to achieve your goals. Organize tasks in a logical sequence, prioritizing those that will have the most significant impact on your manifestation. Prioritize your tasks. Identify the most critical actions that will propel you closer to your desires. Focus on high-priority tasks first and allocate your time and energy efficiently to maximize productivity. Visualize success. Regularly visualize the successful achievement of your goals. This mental imagery reinforces your commitment and motivates you to take the necessary actions. Visualizing success also helps in maintaining a positive mindset. Stay consistent. Consistency is key in aligning your actions with your desires. Create daily or weekly routines that include tasks related to your goals. Consistent effort over time has a cumulative effect and increases the likelihood of success. Monitor and adjust. Regularly assess your progress. If certain actions are not yielding the expected results, be open to adjusting your approach. Flexibility is important in adapting to changing circumstances and refining your strategy. Eliminate distractions. Identify and minimize distractions that divert your attention from your goals. Create a focused work environment and establish boundaries to protect your time and energy. Surround yourself with supportive influences. Connect with individuals who share similar goals or those who inspire and support your journey. Positive influences can provide encouragement and valuable insights to keep you motivated. Practice self-discipline. Cultivate self-discipline to stay committed to your action plan. This includes managing your time effectively, overcoming procrastination, and making choices that align with your long-term objectives. Celebrate small wins. Acknowledge and celebrate your achievements, no matter how small. Recognizing your progress boosts motivation and reinforces the connection between your actions and the manifestation of your desires. Remember, alignment involves not just the physical actions you take, but also the thoughts and emotions you bring to those actions. Stay mindful of your intentions, keep refining your approach, and remain dedicated to the journey of turning your desires into reality. Sign number 4, gratitude overflowing. Gratitude is the language of the universe. When you find yourself naturally appreciating the present moment, expressing gratitude for what you have, and feeling a sense of abundance, you're creating an energetic space for your manifestations to materialize. Gratitude serves as a powerful magnet, attracting more of what you're thankful for. Sign number 5, resistance fading away. As your manifestation approaches, pay attention to any diminishing resistance or self-doubt. The energy of doubt can act as a barrier to manifestation, and when you feel these negative emotions fading away, it's a sign that you are becoming more aligned with the belief that you deserve your desires. This shift paves the way for your manifestations to flow effortlessly into your life. Strengthening your intuition is a process that involves self-awareness, mindfulness, and practice. Here are some tips to help you enhance your intuition. Practice mindfulness meditation. Engage in regular mindfulness meditation to quiet the mind and increase self-awareness. This practice helps you tune into your inner thoughts, feelings, and sensations, laying the foundation for stronger intuition. Trust your gut feelings. Pay attention to your gut instincts or initial impressions. Often, your first reaction to a situation is guided by your intuition. Trusting these feelings and learning to differentiate them from fear or rational thoughts can strengthen your intuitive abilities. Listen to your body. Your body often provides subtle signals about your feelings. Pay attention to physical sensations like a tightness in your chest or a feeling of lightness, as these can be indicators of your intuition guiding you. Keep a journal. Maintain a journal to record your intuitive experiences. Write down any hunches, gut feelings, or intuitive hits you receive. Over time, you may notice patterns or recurring themes, providing insight into your intuitive strengths. Connect with nature. Spend time in nature to ground yourself. Being in natural surroundings can help you tap into your intuition. Practice mindfulness in nature, paying attention to the sights, sounds, and sensations around you. Develop your empathy. Cultivate empathy by putting yourself in others' shoes. Understanding the emotions and perspectives of those around you can enhance your emotional intelligence, and in turn, strengthen your intuition. Ask yourself intuitive questions. When faced with a decision or situation, ask yourself open-ended questions. Listen to the first response that comes to mind without overthinking. This can help you access intuitive insights. Visualize and trust your inner guidance. Engage in guided visualization exercises where you imagine scenarios and trust the guidance that arises within. Visualization can enhance your ability to tap into your intuitive wisdom. Practice decisiveness. Make small decisions without overthinking. Trust your initial instincts and observe the outcomes. This can build confidence in your ability to rely on your intuition in various situations. Seek quiet time. Create moments of quiet and solitude in your daily life. This allows your mind to settle, making it easier to connect with your intuitive thoughts and feelings. Remember, developing intuition is a personal journey, and it takes time and patience. Be open to the process, trust yourself, and celebrate the small successes along the way. Eliminating fear and doubt is essential for successful manifestation. Here are some strategies to help you overcome these negative emotions. Identify and acknowledge your fears. Take time to identify specific fears and doubts related to your manifestation. Write them down to bring them into conscious awareness. Acknowledging them is the first step to addressing and releasing them. Challenge negative thoughts. Challenge the negative thoughts and beliefs that contribute to fear and doubt. Ask yourself if these thoughts are based on facts or assumptions. Often you'll find that many fears are based on unfounded assumptions rather than reality. Replace negative thoughts with positive affirmations. Create positive affirmations that counteract your fears and doubts. Repeat these affirmations daily to reinforce a positive mindset. For example, if you fear failure, replace it with the affirmation, "I trust in my ability to succeed." Visualize success. Regularly engage in visualization exercises where you vividly imagine yourself achieving your desires. Visualizing success helps to reprogram your subconscious mind and creates a positive expectation, reducing fear and doubt. Practice mindfulness and meditation. Incorporate mindfulness and meditation into your daily routine. Mindfulness helps you stay present, and meditation can calm the mind, making it easier to identify and release fear-based thoughts. Focus on the present moment. Fear often stems from worrying about the future. Bring your focus back to the present moment. Take small, actionable steps toward your goals and trust that the future will unfold positively. Create a positive environment. Surround yourself with positivity. Minimize exposure to negative influences, whether they be people, news, or environments. Create a space that fosters optimism and encourages a positive mindset. Set realistic goals. Break your manifestation journey into realistic and achievable goals. Setting smaller, manageable milestones helps build confidence and reduces the overwhelming nature of larger goals. Celebrate achievements. Celebrate every achievement along the way, no matter how small. Acknowledge your progress and reinforce the positive aspects of your journey. This creates a positive feedback loop that diminishes fear and doubt. Affirm your worthiness. Remind yourself that you are deserving of your desires. Affirm your worthiness regularly. Feelings of unworthiness often contribute to doubt and fear, so cultivating self-love is crucial. Seek support and guidance. Share your fears and doubts with a trusted friend, family member, or mentor. Sometimes talking about your concerns can provide a fresh perspective and emotional support. Release control and trust the process. Understand that you cannot control every aspect of the manifestation process. Release the need for absolute control and trust that the universe is working in your favor. Surrendering control often alleviates fear. Remember, it's normal to experience occasional doubt and fear. The key is to address them when they arise and consistently apply these strategies to cultivate a more positive and confident mindset. I hope you enjoy this video and got a better understand on how to manifest something. Feel free to ask any questions in comment section below. Stay blessed until next time. I will see you again.